Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Bogglesocks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Tor.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw
Gunter from Adventure Time.
Okay, shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay, so let's get a black pen. And what we're going to do is about here, we're going to do a V shape on its side, a horizontal V, and it's going to be quite skinny. So something like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little curve like that on that end. Okay, and then just up here, I'm going to do a little line there. And then I'm going to draw a straight line and down to about there. Okay, so here I'm going to do a circle like that. And then just over here on this side I'm going to do another circle that way, like that. And the top right hand corner I'm going to start to do like a quarter of a circle, so I'm going to go like that. And I'm going to do the same on this side too. And then on this side I'm going to do another circle that way. Yeah, so we're just doing a quarter of a circle in there. That's fantastic. Right, perfect. Okay, so see where that line is that we started there? We're going to take it up and round and then down like that. Okay. That's the top of his head, that's it, perfect. And then we're going to do a similar sort of shape down here. Like that, round and up, like that. Okay. And if we go, we can join these up together, like that. Excellent. Now, around this side I'm going to do a curve and then I'm going to do a curve that way, kind of like an S. So you watching? Like that. And then like that. Yeah, and then it's going to go across the head like that. And then on this side, see where that little black line is? I'm going to do like a leaf shape coming out like that, and coming out like that. Yeah, and then on this side, I'm going to do another leaf shape at that angle, like a diagonal angle. So it's going to go like that, and then like that. Excellent. So now we're going to make this black. And this bit black. And this little gap inside the eyes is going to be black. Like that. Okay. Okay, we're nearly ready to start colouring in. But before we do that, we need to do his feet. So we're kind of going to do little loops, and he's got 3 toes on each foot. So you're watching? So here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, like that for that foot. Excellent. And then on this side, I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, like that. And now it's time to colour in. Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That is awesome. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you've got more comments, check out the box below. We've got more tutorials coming up, so stick with us.
And make sure to hit the bell button in your face because it beats me up to receive notifications.
Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon.